Algorand's EMA10 truly shows a sort of descending pattern, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. As far as Algo support floor, it truly is currently 29 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algo fall 12.43% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Algorand especially is as of now esteemed at 11 cents 13 July 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time. Essentially got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is especially momentary cost expectation for Algorand? Certainly is Algo a fundamentally wise venture? Or so they truly thought. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth. Be that as it may, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Algo specialized examination in every practical sense, let us basically discuss the essentially current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The genuinely complete exchanging volume really remains at $31,315,169,849, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29%, showing what by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a downfall of 0.29%. Or so they for the most part thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending course for kind of present moment, which truly shows that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in every practical sense, significant way. As of now, a truly broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very critical. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. So Algorand sort of is as of now esteemed at 11 cents 13 July 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What generally is especially momentary cost expectation for Algorand certainly is Algo a for the most part wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers really become significantly more especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors explicitly become move kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The ongoing Algorand cost explicitly is 11 cents, with an exchanging volume of $48,754,702 and the truly beyond 24 hours, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. At present, Algo truly is somewhere near 3.02% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $814,131,376 United States dollars. which by and large shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending course for kind of present moment, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 13 July 2023, Insight and Everyday Time Period, basically made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Algorand sort of is buy esteemed at 11 cents 13 July 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Algorand cost investigation for now, or for extremely 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly really got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What by and large is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Algorand, in a real sense, is Algo a sort of wise interest in a for the most part significant manner? We utilize certainly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving pretty normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including exceptionally straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to fundamentally investigate the future development of the Algorand, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Algorand certainly has basically break all its particularly upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking especially great for the crypto market, showing how the very complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $31,315,169,849, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Presently, explicitly bears in every practical sense, are in charge of the market and effectively take algo cost beneath the pivotal help level of 29 cents. Genuinely further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the algo specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which truly is very critical. While Algo's Williams %R pointer for the most part is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal fundamentally is truly conceivable at this reach. Further appearance how presently, Algo explicitly is somewhere near 3.02% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $814,131,376 United States dollars, which sort of shows that these occasions truly show that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, which sort of shows that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. The Algo United States dollar moving truly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, truly is showing a genuinely present moment truly sell truly signal, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath. Genuinely signal line which basically implies generally bears truly are ruling on the lookout.